So, Gina, from what you've just shared about mom and also about dad, surrounded by books, right? So it's such a wonderful setting you've just set there for parents these days if they want their children to excel in reading and writing and academia in the future. Books is something that they need to invest on. Would you like to elaborate on that?
Yeah, and I mean, I I was about 4 years old. I couldn't really read, but I just liked turning the pages over and holding the books, as an object and looking at. Some of them had pictures in them, and just handling the books is something I used to enjoy, even though I couldn't read very well. So I think as objects, they're lovely things for children to play with or to have, and to kind of turn the pages over and pretend like they're reading. That's what I used to do. I would pretend I was reading when I couldn't read.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, even just holding the book. And I'm sure many of the books, have beautiful covers,
Yeah,
and I'm sure that would be something that you would gravitate towards just by looking at the cover of the books, Gina.
yeah. There were lots. I remember one book in particular had, it must have been a kind of anthropology book, because it had lots of Papua New Guinean pictures of Papua New Guinea people, and all sorts of different books with pictures of, history books that I didn't understand at all, but I just loved looking at the pictures.
Wow, that's wonderful. And those images and pictures like stay in your mind. And as you grow older, right, those pictures will start to connect when you start to see the real, maybe artifacts in museums, or maybe you met some Papua New Guineans along the way and you're making those connections. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Vinaka.